Good day guys, welcome to this video tutorial, and here I'll be teaching us how to create an artboard here in Photoshop after installation. So I'll just head over to my Windows, click on Windows, and then head over to Adobe Photoshop 2023, then double click on it. So voila, our Photoshop has opened. So how to create an artboard here in Photoshop is very simple. So this is the first step of you in Photoshop. For those that are just seeing Photoshop or opening Photoshop for the first time, this is where you get to create the size of your artboard. If you want it to be for a printing design or a flyer, social media flyers like that. So now we head to new file and click on new file, and Violet has load. So these are sizes. Now this is a normal interface of Photoshop once you click on new file. So here is where you can change the name. You can give your new project a name. You can decide to give it Creative Awhy, like my name. Now that's it. And then here, take for instance we are our artboard. We are going to design for social media. We are going to be designing a social media flyer, for instance, which is supposed to be in a square shape. No, first of all, click on this place and change it to pixels. These are different sizes. They are pixels, they are inches, they are centimeters, but preferably for online designs we use pixels. So once I click on pixels, I change it to 2000 by 2000. To navigate that area, I click on tab to easily navigate the area. So 2000 again. So that's it. Then we'll leave every other thing the same way it is. So before we click on this, let's see what we have here in photo. Now there are different sizes that you can use for your photo and all. Default, landscape, portrait, and all. For the printing sides, now we have letter, we have legal, we have tabloid, A4, B5, A3, A5, A6, and so on and so forth. Now for the art and illustration panel, we have this 1000 pixel grid, 2000 pixel grid, and poster, postcard, and all. So for web too, should in case you are designing for web, you can decide to use these templates. These are templates for for your sizes that you can use. If you are designing for a mobile, you click on mobile, and then you see iPhone X, iPhone 8, iPhone 7, iPad, and all. So an Android too. If you are doing for film video, it's also the same thing. So but then we'll be going for just like we are designing for a social media design. So we should just click on here and change it to 2000, tab 2000, and then we are good to go. You can leave it at 72 resolution, and then pixels, RGB, 8 bits, white. Don't color manage, and then click on create below. Click on create below. So once you click on create, can you see voila, we have this. So this is how to create an artboard here in Photoshop. Thank you very much. Watch out for the next video.